Here I have REALME C1. Let me show you how to enable here power saving mode on the following device. So all you need to do right now is use the upper bar. Let's do it twice, and if you would like to quickly enable power saving, let's now here tap on power saving, and the device is switching into power saving. You can also disable the power saving in the same way, and if you would like to find the power saving settings, let's hold down the power saving icon for a little bit longer. As you can see, the battery opens right here, so you can also access this by using the settings. Here, let's scroll down, choose the battery right here, and here you can also tap on power saving and enable this feature. Here you can set up the power saving. For example, you can enable or disable reducing screen brightness. Let me disable this feature. You can also use auto screen off timeout, and you can disable the background synchronization. Alright, so that's it. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.